Hello folks, this is Andrew Nadeau from Stonehearth Capital Management here with an educational economic update for October 2021. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in September. I will also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Stocks struggled in September as the third quarter came to a close. Persisting inflation, supply chain constraints, and slowing economic growth all provided headwinds for the markets during the month. Stocks began the month with a continued focus on the jobs picture. The August report, released in September, showed that 235,000 new jobs were added, well below the number in July of 943,000 or June of 938,000. The unemployment rate continued to move lower, however, now standing at 5.2%. In addition to this less than stellar economic report was the most recent housing report. The August report showed that existing home sales fell for the first time in 2 months, dropping 2%. Existing home sales are now down 1.5% over the past 12 months. In addition to a weakening sales number, the housing inventory continues to dwindle. The August report saw that the total housing inventory dropped 1.5% compared to July and is now down 13.4% over the past 12 months. While these reports present some concern for the economy going forward, in general, we continue to be in an expansionary phase. According to the latest GDP estimate, the economy accelerated at an annualized rate of 6.7% in the second quarter of 2021 after accelerating 6.3% in the first quarter. Consumer spending, which makes up roughly 2/3 of our economy, continues to be a bright spot for the economy, increasing 12% in the latest estimate compared to an 11.4% increase in the first quarter. While the consumer continues to spend, their wallets may start to feel the pressure as inflation continues to advance. According to the August report released during September, the Consumer Price Index increased 0.4% in August and is now 4.3% higher from August 2020. This has led to producers having to increase their prices 8.3% over the past 12 months. The market struggled to move past these headwinds and finished lower in September. The S&P 500 lost 4.76%, while the Nasdaq was down 5.31% and the Dow lost 4.29%. Heading into the fourth quarter, eyes will be focused on the data to see whether economic indicators improve from here or continue to wane. Inflation concerns and supply chain constraints will continue to dominate the headlines, while any indication as to when the Federal Reserve expects to start scaling back accommodative measures will be something to be on the lookout for. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is Andrew Nadeau with Stonehearth Capital Management signing off for the month of October 2021. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 978-624-3000. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you.